Claude Code is supposed to be one of the best AI coding tools out there right now, but there's one problem. Most people think you have to keep paying for it forever. And it turns out that might not actually be true anymore. There is a brand new open source method that lets you run Claude Code using free AI models, automatically switch providers the second one runs out, and potentially keep coding without ever touching an expensive API bill. This isn't some hacked account, it's not piracy, and it's not one of those free trials that disappears in a week. It's built entirely on open source software. And today I'm going to show you exactly what's going on, why everyone's suddenly talking about it, and why this could genuinely change how people build with AI going forward. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Look, for the past year, one thing has held a lot of people back from using AI coding agents full-time, and that's the cost. Code is genuinely incredible, but once you start building real applications with it, those API costs can add up fast, and I mean fast. That's exactly why this new setup has blown up in popularity. Instead of connecting Claude Code straight to a paid Anthropic API, it connects it to a completely different gateway instead. And that gateway hands you access to dozens, in a lot of cases, hundreds of different AI providers, all from one single connection point. Here's the part that makes this genuinely clever. A lot of those providers offer completely free models. So instead of Claude Code talking directly to one expensive model the whole time, it just talks to this gateway, and the gateway decides which AI model actually handles your request behind the scenes. To Claude Code itself, nothing changes. You still use it exactly the same way you always have. But to your wallet, everything changes. Now here's why this is way bigger than just quote free Claude. Normally, if you're relying on a free API, you're going to eventually hit rate limits. The model stops responding. You have to sit there and wait. Or worse, your entire coding session just dies on you. This new setup solves that with something called automatic fallback. Picture this, you're driving somewhere and every road ahead of you closes off. Instead of you just sitting there stuck, your GPS instantly reroutes you without you even noticing it happen. That's basically what's going on behind the scenes here. One provider gets overloaded or hits its limit, another one quietly takes over, and Claude Code just keeps working like nothing happened. Honestly, that's probably the smartest part of this whole thing. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Here's something people are sleeping on. This gateway doesn't just work with Claude Code. You can plug it into a bunch of different coding agents, OpenAI's Codex, different AI's IDs, various coding assistants, basically anything that supports what's called an OpenAI compatible endpoint. So instead of you sitting there configuring 10 different APIs one by one, you configure one gateway and then you swap models whenever you feel like it. Want to try Gemini? Done. Want to try an open source model? Done. Want to test the newest free release the moment it drops? Also done. Everything runs through the exact same interface. That's a massive quality of life upgrade if you build things regularly. Now, you're probably wondering, how does this stay free forever? Here's the honest answer. Claude Code itself isn't magically becoming free. That part hasn't changed. What's actually happening is that people are routing Claude Code through AI providers that choose to offer free inference. Some companies launch a brand new model and give away millions, sometimes billions of free tokens just to get people using it. Other providers permanently offer smaller free quotas as a standard thing. New providers keep entering the space constantly, and old ones keep running promotions to stay competitive. And because the gateway supports so many different services at once, you're not stuck depending on just one company anymore. When one free option dries up, another one usually shows up to replace it. That's exactly why so many people think this approach actually has real long-term staying power, not just a short-term free trick. There's another piece to this most people aren't talking about enough, and that's token optimization. Some of these setups include their own optimization layer that quietly trims unnecessary token usage before your request even gets sent out. Less tokens used means more requests before you hit any limits, which means your free credits stretch a lot further than you'd expect. It's one of those background improvements you'd probably never even notice, but after hours of coding, especially if you're generating full applications, it genuinely adds up. Now, I actually think a lot of people are focused on the wrong headline with this whole thing. The real story isn't that Claude code can be used for free. The real story is that AI development itself is becoming provider independent. For years, you picked one company, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, whoever, and you just hoped they kept their prices reasonable. Now, these tools are becoming interchangeable. The interface you're using stays exactly the same, only the intelligence running underneath it changes. That's a genuinely massive shift because competition almost always leads to cheaper AI, more free models on the table, better performance, and faster innovation across the board. What's even wilder is how fast the open source community builds on top of ideas like this. Someone builds a gateway, someone else improves it, another developer builds a cleaner interface for it. Someone adds automatic routing on top, someone else adds memory, someone adds support for local models. Within a matter of weeks, you end up with something that genuinely rivals expensive commercial software, and that's exactly what's happening in real time right now. The pace of it is honestly hard to keep up with. Now, I do want to be straight with you here. Individual models are going to come and go. A company might launch a free API today and quietly pull it next month. That's completely normal. That's just how this space moves. But that's exactly why this gateway approach is so interesting in the first place. You're not relying on one specific model staying free forever, you're relying on an entire ecosystem. As new free models launch, you just switch over to them. You're not rebuilding your whole workflow, you're not reinstalling anything, you're just changing the model and getting straight back to work. I genuinely think this is the direction AI development is heading in as a whole. Universal gateways where you pick whichever model fits the job best, the cheapest one, the fastest one, or the smartest one. And you swap between them almost instantly without missing a beat. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.